Hello. We have delivered a lot of data transformation and integration projects, and one day we realized that we need to put something on the end user computer, which will allow editing lookups tables, running reports and performing calculations. Our users did not want to run SQL Plus or Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It is just too complex for them. This is how Active Table Editor was born. The idea is very simple. The administrator designs data entry forms and reports. When user logs in, all the complexity is hidden and the user can only do allowed action and see allowed items. That was a rather long introduction. Let me show how it all works in practice. The management items on the left are only visible to the administrator. Connections define connections to the database. Then we have menu items. They can be data entry forms or reports. Menu items are combined into menus. By default, all new menu items are added to the administrator menu. Every user has a menu assigned. Groups of members. They also define who can see what and do. SQL allows administrator to run freehand SQL and view the data. Here we have some menu items. The most basic menu item is a table. Here we can sort and filter the data, edit it and export and import. Another menu item type is record. The administrator can design pretty complex forms. Reports designer. Let us log in as demo user. Only administrators can edit reports. As you can see, only administrators can edit reports, the end users can only view them. Same apply to data entry forms. Thank you for watching.